Where did you learn to make fires like this?
From my mom.
Every day in the desert?
Every day we use wood for cooking at home.
What are the most difficult things about being in the desert?
The desert is very rough and tough. I am very far away from my family, my children, my wife. But it is my home.
Your wife, where did you meet?
It is arranged marriage. And she likes me and loves me very much. But I don't. I love my wife's love, but I don't love her.
Why?
In my college time, I love someone. I tell my papa and he straight say no. And in our culture, we respect our parents very much because they sacrifice their lives, their desires for us. So their choice is final.
Have you ever seen her? Do you know what happened to her?
Still, she's unmarried.
Oh. So it's never an option to have a divorce? You will always stay with your wife?
Yes. Love means sacrifice. So it is impossible to leave her.
So that's quite a difficult situation.
But it is life. Very beautiful. Life is very beautiful.